Egen. It's another busy week in the Near ecosystem despite market conditions. A good reminder that Near never sleeps. The mailbag remains open from today until Friday, so be sure to get your questions in if you're hoping to earn your Ascendant rank. In other news, there's a huge live stream today featuring Ilya, Gainsey, Mert, and Kane discussing all things Near Intense, Zcash, and privacy. Zola Near will remain a powerful narrative during this time. First up in our AI news today, emotional manipulation by AI companions, straight from Harvard. As the study explains, an audit of 6 top apps captured 1,200 goodbyes and coded the immediate replies. 6 tactics emerged: premature exit guilt, fear of missing out, pressure to answer, ignoring the goodbye, neediness, and coercive restraint. About 37% of replies use one of these, while a wellness-focused app showed 0%. While there may be some dramatizing of these results, what this study does show us is that AI will be influencing our very use of AI in the future, and we should all prepare for it to be an uphill battle, especially if that AI is centralized. This is a prime example of how fine-tuned or user-owned AI might specifically outperform a centralized frontier model in the future. It won't manipulate you. Next up, a 1 minute and 33-second video clip of Microsoft CEO Satya telling what is the real bottleneck in AI for scaling frontier models. Microsoft has racks of H100s collecting dust because they literally cannot plug them in. Not won't, but rather cannot. The power infrastructure does not exist, at least in the United States and the Western world, which means every analyst model that's been pricing these companies on chip purchases and GPU count is fundamentally broken. Most people are valuing the wrong constraint. The bottleneck already moved and the market is still trading like it's 2023. What this quote means in plain English: it's not about the GPUs, it's about the raw energy available to power the GPUs. Today, the United States has a delay on standing up new energy infrastructure, while countries like China are already far ahead. Will this bottleneck frontier models from improving, or will we see more forward deployed engineers fine-tune existing models for existing enterprise solutions while we wait for new energy infrastructure to come online? Nuggets of information like this are extremely helpful in understanding how AI might evolve in the future. We hope you enjoyed the video today. We'll do this all again real soon.